At Vogel Brothers Building Company, our mission is to continually improve our services in order to improve the lives of the people in the communities we serve. This can only be accomplished with safe, ethical, and caring employees. Creating a safe attitude and environment is a fundamental belief at Vogel Brothers Building Company.
We firmly believe that all job site accidents are preventable. To many, this comes across as a very bold statement. We stand by this belief because our employees play an active role in creating that safe environment. Not just safe for ourselves, but also for our customers, for our subcontractors, our owners, and the general public. We emphasize safety and encourage a safe culture with open lines of communication throughout the company. Every Vogel Brothers employee is empowered to take an active role in improving our safety practices, which strongly supports our beliefs.
But don't just take our word for it. This safety page is our way of putting our employees and their great ideas in the spotlight. On a monthly basis, we'll be posting videos by our employees. We'll be posting articles by our employees about ideas or new procedures initiated by our employees. We want everyone to know that Vogel Brothers is a caring and ethical organization that has exceptional employees who provide world-class safety.